Trying to hold your easy road pace on a 10% trail grade increases your metabolic cost by 250%, burning your glycogen stores in minutes, not hours. Let's look at the physics. A 10 kilometers road run is a predictable energy equation. But take that same 10 kilometers and add 700 meters of vertical gain. The distance is identical, but the physiological demand doesn't just increase. It changes categories entirely. Most runners obsess over the uphill cost, but that is not what kills your race. The hidden variable is eccentric load on the descent. Every step down forces your quads to brake against gravity, causing micro-tears at a rate 3 times higher than flat running. This creates a dangerous decoupling effect. On a technical descent, your heart rate often drops because your cardiovascular system is resting, but your muscular system is being shredded. If you rely solely on HR monitors, you will overpace the downhills and blow up your legs. So, if pace is broken and HR lies on downhills, what do we use? On climbs, we switch to VM, vertical ascent meters. A fit amateur generates steady vertical power regardless of the grade. Stop looking at horizontal speed. Lock into your vertical rhythm. For undulating terrain, we abandon numbers for biology, RPE anchors. Zone 2 isn't a number on your watch. It is the ability to breathe strictly through your nose. This auto-regulates for mud, altitude, and technicality in a way no algorithm can match. Here is your new training protocol. Stop logging weekly mileage. Start logging time on feet and vertical gain. If you chase pace on the trail, you are training for a road race that doesn't exist. Train the terrain, not the GPS. Stop tracking distance. Start tracking vertical. Welcome to the trails.